Variable types: string, number, bool, list, map, object. Terraform variables are not values first, they are shapes first. Before Terraform reasons about change, it reasons about what kind of thing a value is allowed to be. This lesson is about those shapes, not how to pass values, not where values come from, just the contracts. Terraform is a reasoning engine. It builds graphs. It predicts consequences. To do that, it must know what operations are valid. You cannot add a string. You cannot index a number. You cannot iterate a Boolean. Types are how Terraform prevents invalid reasoning before it begins. Cause leads to effect. Types enable inference. A variable has identity, then it has type. Only later does it receive a value. Terraform does not ask, what is this right now? It asks, what kind of thing could this ever be? That answer controls the graph. Some variables describe a single identity, one value, one meaning, indivisible. Scalars have no internal addressability. Terraform cannot look into a string to discover a dependency. It is the whole value or nothing at all. This limits how relationships can form, and that limitation is intentional. Terraform sees three distinct shapes. A string is text, a number is arithmetic, a Boolean is a gate. Even without values, Terraform already knows which expressions are legal. This is not configuration, this is constraint. Some variables describe many things, not many meanings, the same meaning repeated. Collections are homogeneous by contract. A list of strings is only strings. A map of numbers is only numbers. This uniformity is not convenience. It is how Terraform preserves shape while allowing repetition. A list preserves order. Identity is positional. A map preserves keys. Identity is named. Terraform treats these differently when building dependencies. Order versus addressability. Same values, different reasoning. Some variables describe shape inside shape, not repetition, composition. Objects are schemas. They declare internal structure, they define required fields, they prohibit unknown ones. Terraform can reason about this schema before a single value exists. Structure comes first, population comes later. Terraform now knows the interior. It knows what must exist. It knows what cannot exist. This allows precise dependency edges, field by field. The object is not flexible. It is deliberate. Types shape the graph. List creates, repeated edges. Maps create keyed edges. Objects create internal subgraphs. Terraform does not wait for values to discover these relationships. The graph is drawn from type alone. This is why incorrect types break reasoning early, quietly, predictably. Using overly generic types weakens the graph. For example, using map any erases homogeneity and structure. Terraform can still run, but it reasons less precisely. This is not dangerous, it is ambiguous. Ambiguity delays errors until later phases. One future lesson will explore this boundary. Variables are not inputs, they are contracts. Types do not restrict users, they protect inference. Terraform thinks in shapes before it thinks in values. That order is intentional.